Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Salary Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
Physiotherapy is reaching out to every part. Medically, we have to understood our body, and post-COVID, we need to realize that there are many more treatments that we need to ensure that we have a proper thing. Either I am a sportsman or a senior citizen or a lady who has been working in the house or the youth. Everybody needs this particular thing. And a young doctor like Tanaya, I think, is an inspiration to many who can allow herself to be growing along with the constituency. आयच्या दिसाक डॉक्टर तनया त्या फूल स्टाफाक आमचे काउन्सिलिटी करता बेस्ट विशेस दिता.
Basically, we treat all the patients without prescribing medicine. So it's more of the exercise and all of that. And we treat from all age groups, that is right from the pediatric age group, that is children, to the senior citizens, old age, everything included in this. And would like to help the community to be better and live a pain-free life.